Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we'll be talking about a new airdrop, Polarise. Alright, Polarise is a new airdrop that came live last year, about 4th of December 2025, and you can see this is actually a social file with not much activities to perform in order to claim the airdrop. So all you have to do guys is just to make sure you watch this video till the end and do not skip any part of this video. And in case you're visiting us for the first time or not yet subscribed, all you have to do guys is just to come over to the channel and kindly click on the subscribe button. Once you click on the subscribe button, you go ahead and turn the notification bell to all, so you always get notifications of important videos like this. And as well, check out the channel to watch some more videos on how to claim different airdrops and earn money using these airdrops. All right, so all you have to do guys now, once you're done subscribing, is just to head over back to the description box of this video. You're going to see the link to this particular airdrop. All right, once you click on the link, it will lead you straight to the airdrop page. All right, but before that, I need you guys to take note that this Polarise has raised about $3 million for this particular airdrop. All right, and the airdrop status is confirmed, meaning that at the end of this airdrop campaign, we are definitely going to receive airdrops. All right, so far we follow all their rules. All right, now once you click on the video description, you're going to find this particular link to this airdrop site, Polarise. Once you click on it, all you have to do guys is to come up here and agree to their terms. Then you scroll down a bit and connect your wallet. All right, you can go ahead to connect MetaMask wallet, or you can use your wallet connect to connect to any other wallet of your choice. All right, so I'll quickly use my MetaMask wallet. Now once this page comes up guys, all you have to do is just to go ahead and click on this one that says connect, and make sure you're connecting to the right site, app.polarise.org. Now on this page guys, what to do is very simple. My wallet address is already connected. You can see this right here, and at the moment I have 0 referral points and 0 points task. All right, so the first thing you have to do once you get to this page is just to go ahead, copy your referral link, share it on X, share it on Telegram, share it on Discord, and you can post it as a poster. All right, you can share it as poster. So once you're done copying your referral link and sharing to invite friends, you can scroll down a bit guys. If you get referral points, you can always come up here to use these swap points and convert the points to grease tokens, because this is the particular grease tokens you are looking to claim out. All right, then during the process of earning these points, you will still be able to earn badges. All right, you can see Asta badge, you will need about 20 referrals. You can invite 20 friends, then you'll be able to gain this Asta badge. All right, referring more will earn you more badges on this particular airdrop site. All right, now if I continuously scroll down, you see this place that says task. This will help you to claim more airdrop points that you convert to grease tokens using this swap button. All right, using this particular swap button. To earn this is very simple guys. This is going to get me about 200 points. This is going to get me about 200 points. This will get me about 4,000 points, 2,000 points, 500 points, and the rest of them. All right, it's pretty simple. All you have to do is just to do it one after the other. Now if you click on this one that says go, you might not get any reaction from the site. All right, so what you have to do first is just to come up here and click on this one that says faucet first. All right, now all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and copy out your Polarise wallet address. You can see this right here. Go ahead, copy out your Polarise wallet address to get these faucet tokens. All right, so quickly, all I have to do is just to head straight to my MetaMask wallet. Now over here on my MetaMask wallet, I currently have about 0 POLA tokens, and all I have to do guys is just to click on it and click on this one that says receive, then copy out my wallet address on Ethereum, then come over here and paste in the wallet address I just copied. Now the next thing guys is just to go ahead and click on this one that says send me tokens. Now you can see successful, about 0 points, 1 POLA token has been sent to my wallet. So quickly, all I have to do guys is just to check out my wallet. Let me just click on this one that says go now. And once this transaction pops up, all you have to do guys is just to go ahead and confirm it in your wallet. I'm going to spend about 0.001 POLA tokens for this transaction. All right, so all I have to do is just to quickly click on confirm. All right, so now let's see the amount of tokens I currently have. If I scroll down a bit, you discover I have about 160 points. So I can choose to convert this my 160 points to the grease tokens, and that's currently worth about 1.6 grease tokens. All right, so quickly, all I have to do, guys, is just to head over to other tasks and complete all of these. All right, then this one that says daily on-chain interaction, you'll be able to do this every day. All right, now for the daily on-chain transactions, guys, all I have to do for this is just to come up here, click on this one that says confirm. I'll be spending about 0.001 POLA tokens. Now the transaction is successful the second time, and let me just refresh this a bit and know how much I have at the moment. All right, now you can see my points has just increased to about 400 points right here, and converting these 400 points, guys, to grease tokens will give me now about 3.2 grease tokens. All right, so if you continuously do this, you'll be able to accumulate as many points as possible that you can use to boost up the number of grease tokens you have. All right, and remember, like I told you guys, this started about 2 to 3 months ago. It started on the 4th of December 2025, and the listing is to be announced. All right, it's to be announced. The airdrop is confirmed, so if you continuously do this, you will be sure of getting airdrop if you follow and meet all their criteria. All right, if you have more questions to ask on this Polarise airdrop, all you have to do, guys, is just go down the comment section and put it down in the comment section, and I'll be glad to respond to your questions immediately. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.